This Power Pro Drywall Sander was designed for sanding those hard-to-reach ceilings and walls. It provides the finishing touches on new housing construction and drywall renovation work and is faster than conventional drywall sanding. Cleanup time is minimal with the Power Pro Drywall Sander and when used in conjunction with an included vacuum bag. 80% plus dust absorption. This drywall sander is great for a weekend do-it-yourself warriors or seasoned pros. The Power Pro Series Electric Drywall Sander features 800 watts of input power, a variable speed motor 500 to 1,800 RPM, and an extendable handle from 4 feet to 5.5 feet. The unit is made from hard, durable plastic and low-weight, strong aluminum. The sanding paper attaches via a strong hoop and loop fasteners. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Exceptional control. Handle extension will allow for a wider range of use. The high-quality 12 watts LED lights surrounding the head offer a brighter working condition, ideal for grinding drywall. Ceilings, interior walls, exterior walls, clearing floor residue, paint coatings, adhesives, and loose plaster. Number 2. Adjustable angle. LED light. 90 degrees pivoting head can be adjusted to various angles for easier operation. Pivot lock allows for easier ceiling sanding. LED lights circle the sanding head to identify imperfections in the drywall, depressions and bumps. Visibility helps to smooth the project. Number 3. High-efficient dust absorption. Automatic dust collection occurs due to the built-in vacuum and included dust bag. No need to use your external vacuum. Number 4. 10-hole design. Removable edge guard. New 10-hole sanding head. Paper allows for better dust extraction. Edge guard can be removed to enable corner sanding. Steel ball bearings keep the sanding head from sucking to the surface. Number 5. Powerful. 800 watts motor provides reliable, dynamic power to the sanding pad and is mid-stem mounted to balance the 14 pounds lightweight body. The variable speed motor operates from 500 to 1,800 RPM. Number 6. Dust extraction. The static dissipating PVC dust hose will help provide efficient dust absorption when connected to the vacuum bag. A circle of ball bearings under the head helps to sweep dust from the wall and contain it under the sanding head, to ease dust extraction through the tool. Number 7. Adjustable angle. 9 inches diameter sanding head swivels in multiple directions to keep the head flat to the wall. This provides much less arm and shoulder bending, twisting to help make your work more efficient. The detachable brush segment and removable bottom aids in edge and angle sanding. Number 8. Package accessories. Carry bag, set of 12, 9 inches sanding discs hook and loop, anti-static dust hose, hose adapter, extra set of carbon brushes, assembly tools, user manual, warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.